the page geometry, the arrangement and size of objects to fix the type fitting problems, whether they're widows and orphans or something else. That may be doable. In a lot of cases it is. For example, we could take the text frame here and just nudge its width a little bit, and it might work. Now let me undo that, and we'll put some guides there to define where the original borders were. Now, I will widen it just a little bit. Okay. You really wouldn't notice that in the printed version. In fact, even 2 pages side by side, you wouldn't notice that little bit of difference. So that's an option. Let me undo this. Another option is, do you have an image that needs to go in there or some other object? If so, see if you can use that to adjust things. So let me turn on text wrap here, and we'll make that uniform and bump it out a little bit. Now, here I've created an orphan with this word back. Can I increase this a little bit? Yes. Now I've turned that orphan into a normal line of text. Maybe I could move this up a little bit and adjust things. That all fits pretty well. Look at the page geometry as something that you might be able to alter. Look at increasing the text frame size or decreasing it ever so slightly. Look at adjusting the column. Oops, wrong command. Text frame options, maybe the gutter can be increased a tiny bit. Maybe the width of the columns can be decreased or increased just a tiny bit. Look at the page geometry.